This is the magic frying pan. But what makes it different from other pans? It's the world's only cast iron frying pan with a thickness of just 1.5 millimeters. We measured it to see if this is true, and it was. The caliper indicated 1.5 millimeters. How was such a thin frying pan made possible? The magic frying pan is produced and sold by Nishikimi Chuzo, a metal casting manufacturer. The company used to manufacture precision parts for automobiles, but the need to differentiate itself in the market while using their existing technology led them to start developing these frying pans. Since its release in 2001, the magic frying pan has become extremely popular despite being available exclusively online.
鋳物でフライパンを作った場合、やっぱり通常の4ミリ、5ミリですと重くてとても片手で持てないですよね。やはりそうするとやっぱりそこには薄さという軽さっていうのが重要になってきますから、それで結果3分の1の薄さということで 1.5 になったんですね。フライパンである以上やっぱ片手で持てないとフライパンとは言わないので。
This frying pan is 26 centimeters in diameter and weighs 980 grams. It's very light, which makes it easy to use. And one of the biggest features of this frying pan is that it heats up 3 times faster than regular models. Let's see how the temperature changes when the pan is heated. After 30 seconds, the temperature exceeds 200 degrees and reaches 300 degrees after 1 minute. After 90 seconds, the temperature has reached 350 degrees. Let's try cooking a steak. After heating the pan until it smokes, we put in the meat and turned it over after 50 seconds. Then we cooked it for another 10 seconds. The result? A nice medium-rare filet steak. Even though we used a low-power portable gas stove, the steak is cooked to perfection. Another feature of this frying pan is that oil spreads easily on the surface to prevent the food from sticking.
薄さっていうのは速さなんですよね。早く熱が伝わると。熱の広がり。これは薄さとは別の話で、やっぱりその素材が持ってるその広がりの良さっていうんでしょうかね。で素材の中に成分の中にですね、炭素がいわゆる炭が入っていることが、いわゆる遠赤を生んで広範囲に広がると。
Cast iron that includes carbon is called a ductile cast iron. The company adds carbon into pig iron and scrap iron to produce its frying pans. Let's see how they're made. Carbon is added into molten iron. The temperature of the furnace is 1200 degrees. Then the iron is poured into molds and cooled for 24 hours. In spring and autumn, the difference in temperature between daytime and nighttime can affect the quality of the material, so the process requires extra care. After the pan has cooled off for 1 day, excess material is removed with a band grinder. From that point on, the process includes a lot of manual work. The inner surface of the pan is then polished with a handheld grinder. To increase production, Nishikimi has also introduced this robot. The programming for the robot was developed by the company. The outer surface of the frying pan is polished to perfection. After that, the smooth surface is sandblasted to give it a rougher finish. Then, in the final step, the frying pan is coated. To make sure the bottom surface is even, imperfections are corrected with a hammer. As the frying pan is often used on induction stoves, ribs have been added to the bottom to prevent it from getting distorted by the heat. One of the things that have helped increase the popularity of the magic frying pan is that many cooking enthusiasts have been raving about it on their blogs. With so many metal casting manufacturers in Japan, Nishikimi Chuzo stand out among its competitors by using its ductile iron casting technology in an innovative way.
業界内では当たり前なことであったとしても、違った視点から見ると意外と使い勝手がいいものだったり、使い方を変えればとんでもないものに変わったりするものって結構あるんじゃないかなと。
Nishikimi's next move will be to produce and export woks to advance into the Chinese market. We can surely expect to see their cookery in kitchens around the world.